Hi, welcome all. This is a quick introduction about myself, Succinate Elevator Pitch. Feel free to have a look on my website and the other links mentioned here. I believe a person have never been short of ability. This will make a person successful. Therefore, the buzz in my life that is spell positive energy is largely to do with the climate that the person creates. Long before my website was an idea, and to be honest, it remained an idea for a long time. Sometimes we have some or other important work, priority to be done, or involve in yourself, and suddenly strike a chord deep within you that life is slipping by so fast that you might never get chance to live with the meaning and you deserve. I love my passion. In ancient Sanskrit saying, when you were born, you cried while the world rejoiced. Live your life in such a way that when you die, the world cries and while you rejoice. So I thank the down phase for being the catalyst. Moving a step ahead to create my own website helped me to draw a link between personal and professional life better. Becoming aware of my weakness was the first step to eliminating it. I was moved by how much time they were willing to give me. My willpower is my strength. The winning triangle, ability, attitude, and passion. Just enjoy the ride in life. Let's face it, roller coaster are far more thrilling that merry goes round. रामधारी सी दिनकर के एक कविता में उन्होंने कहा था कृष्ण की चेतावनी, जिसमें ये चार पंक्तियां मेरी बहुत फेवरेट है। सौभाग्य न कभी सोता है, देखें आगे क्या होता है। जब नाश मनुष्य पे छाता है, पहले विवेक मर जाता है। So you keep trying. There is a phrase which is one of my favorite again. An athletic cannot run with money in his pocket. He must run with hope in his heart and dream in his hand, which is written by Himik Jet. I was having the hunger to go on the role for a Scrum Master. I started my career from a software developer and it was a campus placement by Siemens when I was at my college third year. I'm a computer science engineering graduate from VTU and EPGD master from Alliance University. I have overall 9+ years of experience. After my campus placement during my career, at first I started with Siemens as a software developer in C# .NET technology. And I started with management activities while working with Wipro Capgemini and continued the same with Accenture in techno-functional role. I was in program and project management specialist. I joined Accenture in 2017 September and grown organically as a project lead and as my current role and primary skill in Scrum project management is a Scrum Master on expert level. My certification includes .NET MBOX from Siemens, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, and this year certification 2021 are Professional Scrum Master from Scrum.org, Professional Scrum Product Owner from Scrum.org, and Certified Scrum Developer from Avanade. My project experience includes in Microsoft Azure DevOps, Jira, Rational ClearCase, and project management tools. I have worked with the Nexus framework and a good exposure in Agile, Safe Agile as well. There is a phrase, and it was by J.K. Rowling, sometimes failure in life is inevitable. It is impossible to live without failing in something unless you live so consciously that you might as well have never lived at all, in which case you fail by default. So it is very important to fail and stand up and run again. Failure is the key of success, and which I feel where there is a will, there is a way. There is nothing wrong with having your goal really high and trying to achieve them. There is a fun part. You may come up short, but it is always good and fun to try and achieve them. It is not the strongest of the spices that, that survive, not the most intelligent, but one most responsive change. in my case, and that is the agile, right? Winner never quit, and quitter never wins. Anything worthwhile take time and require some serious energy, dedication, and sacrifice. As long as you are alive, you have more power than you could ever imagine. So you have no reason to give up. Failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time with more intelligently. Accept responsibility of your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. The purpose of life is not to be happy, it is to be useful, honorable, to be compassionate, to have it, and which makes some difference that you have lived and lived well. Keep going until you hit your gold mine. Life is a demanding journey more often than not. It demands an effort that seems to exceed our ability without caring about our weakness and how we feel. Life places what seems like obstacle in your path to success, but life reward to those who are willing to keep pushing themselves regarding of what limit are presented to them. This is the mantra of my success and my journey for Satyan's elevator page. A few little pearls of wisdom. Nevertheless, when I created and hosted my website through GitHub, it provided me a deep pleasure and happiness. It is also the ups and downs and the elevator which I have took in my career and reach to my goal, and many more things are there to learn and explore now also. I would like to tell in last one kavita, one poem from Pink movie, and it is written by Anand E. Krishna. तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझना इनको वस्त्र तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, चरित्र जब पवित्र तेरा, फिर क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, पापियों को हक नहीं कि वो ले परीक्षा तेरी। चुनर उठा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा, अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। थैंक यू।